How special is the Earth? Well, according to NASA, there are 10 billion. I repeat, 10 billion terrestrial planets in our galaxy alone. I want to take a moment to let that number sink in. 10 billion. I want you to think if there's a time that you've ever seen 10 billion of anything. Chances are you probably haven't. That's an astronomical, ironically as that sounds, astronomical number that we have to try to comprehend here. I can break the number down smaller for you though. Out of those 10 billion terrestrial planets, there is only one that has been confirmed to support life. Just one. Out of 10 billion. And we're standing on it, ladies and gentlemen. Research suggests that the Earth is able to support life because of its distance from the Sun and geological evolution. Now, being the third planet from the Sun puts us in that sweet spot, just close enough to get the life-supporting heat that we need to survive, but not so close to where it burns us when that happens, or we freeze to death, we're too far away. But the Earth didn't always support life. It had to grow. It had to mature. It had to evolve, if you will, into what it is today. And this process was called geological evolution. Now, as I previously stated, our little blue planet Earth is in that perfect spot to be able to support life. Now, according to the University Corporation for Atmospheric Research, our planet Earth in the year 2015 had the average temperature of 59 degrees Fahrenheit, which is a pretty good number, a pretty good average temperature. We could very comfortably survive in that temperature. Now, I want you to understand how unique that actually really is. Like, let's just take a look at our own planets in our solar system. Let's go over to Mercury. Now, according to NASA, during the day, Mercury can reach temperatures of 800 degrees Fahrenheit, which that's a little toasty for what we need. 800 degrees. I have a pizza in the oven right now that's cooking at 400 degrees, so double that, and I don't think I can survive in my oven. Now, if Mercury's too hot, maybe we need to get farther away from the sun. Let's go ahead and head towards, let's say, Neptune. Or, well, since Neptune is a gas planet, let's go ahead and jump on its moon, Triton. Well, according to NASA, Triton? The temperature we took off Triton was negative 391 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a little chillier than I think we all would prefer. I don't know, maybe I'm the odd one who thinks it's just too cold. I don't know. Alright, so next I want to kind of direct your attention back towards Earth and what I stated about earlier. How it wasn't always able to support life. Now, according to the University of California in Los Angeles, the Earth in its current state, and I'm going to bring our moon into this as well. Our moon were formed when baby Earth, I'm going to call it baby Earth, and a planetary embryo called Theia collided with each other and fused together. Now, part of Theia formed and helped to form our Earth. The rest of Theia broke off and turned into our moon. Now, according to Stuart Walford with the UCLA Newsroom, this collision, along with many other water-rich asteroids, helped set in motion and evolve Earth into what it is today. And also, thanks to Karen Masters with Cornell University, this extra bit that formed our moon became a perfect shield for the Earth. If you look up in the sky right now, you're going to see a bunch of little black dots or black speck shadows on the moon. Those are craters from asteroids. Asteroids that collided with the moon to make those craters. There's quite a few of them up there if you look, actually. And the moon took that hit. If the moon wasn't there, chances are those asteroids would have came straight to Earth. And I don't know if life would even be the same if that was happening. If you think of how many black dots or black shadows, craters of asteroids are on that moon. Now, in conclusion, The placement of the Earth is positioned from the Sun, and its process it had to overdo in order to become the Earth is today through geological evolution is what makes the Earth so unique in order to support life. Like I said, thanks to its position in our solar system, in our galaxy, in position to our Sun, we are just close enough to get the heat that we need in order to survive. But we're not so close to where we get burned to a crisp or frozen from being too far away. And lastly, Earth didn't always support life. We really truly appreciate that circumstances happened with Theia and other water-rich asteroids colliding with us in order to form the Earth as it is today. And also forming the Moon. Now, before I let you guys go, I want to leave you guys with some last little comments here. I want to go back to that number. 10 billion. And yet there's only one planet that can support life that we know of. That truly makes our Earth something very unique. A diamond, if you will. And like a diamond, they don't last forever. They break. We need to protect our planet and keep it as perfect as possible. Because there may be 10 billion other ones up there, but there's only one that we've been able to confirm to support life. Thank you all for listening.